know what? Moment of truth. Been cooking long enough. Oh my God. Wow! Oh no, my top. Hello friends, it's me. Today we are trying the Bootleg 5-minute crafts. 1, 2, 3, go. Hacks to see if they work. Yo, this office party is great. Girl, what you drinking? Oh no! Did you just skeet some Dr. Pepper out on Ashley's white shirt? Oh, it's all a test. What hack will she come up with next? Oh, good thing I have these ginormous pants that can fit 2 people. Yeah, no way that's actually gonna be cute. No way! Go back to your party looking like a fool. Oh, wow. These people are so awkward dancing in the background like These are the parties your parents warned you about. Oh no, somebody spilled juice all over my shirt. It's fine. We're gonna put 2 legs into the same popsicle. That's a tight fit, SpongeBob. Said Squidward. Ooh! She bikini bottom thick. Don't look, I'm gonna take off my shirt. She a thick SpongeBob queen. If it wasn't for the sleeve, this actually works. Like I'm not even mad about it. Oh man, hold on. I got this. I can like tighten the waist and then give it this like cinched look. What? I'm actually shook. This is pretty cute. Until I look in my oven mirror. Oh, this is a red carpet look. Like this video if I should go to my next award show dressed like this. Oh look, my friends are having a party without me. Better go meet up with them. Coke bottle hair hack. Whoville inspired. Oh, she brought out the LEDs. And then we're gonna pop some ornaments in there. Wow, okay. Girl, what that scalp do? Why it built like that? But does this hair hack actually work? This should be simple enough, right? Bottle, head. Probably empty it. Empty bottle, head.
All right, I think this is probably an easier way of doing it. Basically, just trap the bottle. I said, trap the bottle in your head. Got that bad boy real good.
Oh! My hairband broke! There's more where that came from.
This is a difficult way of living.
Wow!
Bro, I ain't got enough hair for this.
Bonafide cone head coming through. Man, I didn't even get to decorate it yet.
I thought it would be quirky to put some glasses
on it. Man, sick of this. Don't you just love movie night with your friends? Until your friend with all this sick new ink shows up. Come on guys, it's really not that dramatic. What are y'all, nuns? Girl, how did you do it? Print out a picture of a sick pony. Spray it with perfume. Put it in a bowl of water. For 2 hours? Nobody got time for that. Wow. Where was this hack when I was a child? I was not aware of this. Oh no, Grandpapa gonna kill me when he see this. Oh, you could take it off with micellar water. Nice. You telling me I could have a sick tattoo, the comfort of my own home. First I need to get a printer.
I literally bought a printer just so I could do this, but I forgot to buy paper. And all I could find was like this little half piece of paper from a notebook. Next, we're gonna print over my bills. What the? Oh my god, I keep asking it to print my tattoo and it prints the alignment page again. Bro. Finally, literally on the back of my bill.
You're gonna need a bowl of water and we're gonna cut out the tattoos. I'm actually really excited to try this one out. You know, I always wanted custom tattoos. Specifically, a command seal. And then I print out something basic like a flower. Step 1, spray your image. You like that? That's Hermes. The full size of this is like $250, so some expensive tattoos. So we're gonna let it soak in water. I dipped it in the water. Is that illegal? This one might not come out. Okay, and then I have another one. I want this one to work, so I wanna do it right. All right, that's soaked real good. It was extra generous. And we're gonna let it soak as well. The color's bleeding!
Does it not work for red tattoos? No.
Delicious. Finally, some good tattoo soup.
1 hour later.
All right, time to tat me up. What are we putting in these bad boys? We're gonna take it out. Oh no, I don't think it works for colored ones. No, now I'm sad. I wanted this one to work so bad, but all the color is gone. Dripping red like my soul. Okay, so we're gonna spray it with perfume. I don't think this is gonna work. But the black one, I have hopes for this one. High hopes, my dudes. Look, it's intact. We're gonna spray this, and I'm gonna spray my skin where I want it to go. And then we're gonna put it like this. Gently pat that bad boy down. Do it gently. I'm a delicate flower waiting to bloom. Now we hold it down. Bro, when I used to do tattoos when I was a kid, I used to like, make sure you attach yourself to my skin, or I'm telling my mother. We leave that, we pat it gently, now we wait. While I waited for these tattoos to bake, I made another batch of tattoos. You know, I've never been this desperate for a hack to work. Okay, this one didn't work, but that was in red ink, so you can't do it with colored ink. Moment of truth. What is this? Literally, what is this? This is the saddest, most pathetic attempt at a tattoo I've ever seen. I could have just doodled on my finger and it would have been better. This sucks. Y'all see that? The hairs on my arm are more apparent than this rose. This sucks. But at least my kitchen smells good.
Several days later.
Here we go again. Spray my hand where I want the tattoo. Ooh, that tingles. Oh, I think I had a cut. Oh, it burns. Better work. Gonna dab it and then I'm gonna spray some more perfume on top of it. Okay, if it burns, does that mean it's working? God, I'm so impatient. I just want to peel it off. You know what's actually mildly infuriating? The fact that my utility bill is now on my fingers. Like for me holding down the tattoo like this. Okay, you know what? Moment of truth. Been cooking long enough. Oh my God, I hate everything. I hate this world we live on. Maybe my printer just like sucks. No, I brought a brand new printer for this. Okay, you know what? You can see the essence of a tattoo. What did I do wrong? I followed the directions as best as I could. Alright, I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. Wow, it kind of printed itself on me. This is some weak ink, bro. Oh, you show up to a private event. Oh, they let her go. Why don't you let me go? Excuse me, ma'am. Do you see what you're wearing? This is a red carpet event. You are not on the list. She's like, what? Is it what I'm wearing? Are you clothingist? Oh, he like, no. As you're crying in the bathroom, you realize your bandana. Oh, can double as a belt. Oh no, she's pulling it up. It's a shirt. This is the only way. So what I learned from this hack is you must thoughtify yourself to get into events. Oh, dang. Oh, they like, what? Is that a movie star or something? No, it was the girl that came in literally 2 minutes ago. Who knew? All you had to do was wear your headband as a shirt. Get onto any red carpet for free. Plot twist, it's the movie theater and she didn't buy a ticket. Did you get kicked out of the club because you look like a fool? Say no more. All right, so we got this big old scarf. You know, we could have done fine with like a little handkerchief, but I don't even know how she did this. And I always do this wrong, so bear with me. I mean, part of me just doesn't care. It's like most people who are actually gonna attempt these hacks are just gonna like see it once and then try it. Not like, oh, I'm gonna play this like 50 times. And nobody wanna do a hack that badly, okay? So I got into the half triangle shape. That's very desirable. Oh, you know what? I think we're actually doing this right. So you're gonna make this shape and then tie it around your waist. Skirt. And then take this triangle part. Hold on, wait. I don't have a brooch, but like, okay. If it's hot outside, you don't have a tank top on. Oh, girl, okay. Hold on, I always wanna do this. I always wanna go to the club and like, oh no, my top. Whoa! Did you just spray paint your hair? Looks pretty cool. Not really. You look like you're rebelling against your parents. I wish my hair was cool like hers. Spray paint your hairbrush. Wham bam, yes ma'am. Ooh, okay. 2 rebels over here. Quick, somebody ground them. I don't think it's gonna be that pigmented, especially when you're using a brush. Nah, they sprayed that professionally and expeditiously. Whoa, nice new piercing. It's obviously fake. Oh, with a stapler? Oh, no. Say it ain't so. Oh, okay. It doesn't get edgier than this. Take a stapling and round it out. Wham, bam, yes, ma'am. This video should be called How to Give Your Strict Parents a Mini Heart Attack. She like, oh, look at me, baddie over here. Can't wait to selfie with our sick new piercings. I surprised myself that I actually have a stapler in this household. So we're going to take one of these staples out. Or you know what, we can take out the whole dang thing. It's like I took his dang child away. Operation separate a staple. Man, these are in pretty good. Come on, give me one. I just need one. We got one. So we're gonna mold it on something round. I think I have this perfume here, you know. My childhood dream of having a lip piercing. You know, I always wanted snake bites. My mom said no. Now I'm glad I didn't, because I would have had 2 extra holes on my face. You know, we already got like 3. Don't need any more. Wow, this is really hard to like mold. Okay, I'm just gonna... Hey. What's up? Gonna make another. This is hard. I feel like I cannot talk. Can I talk normally with these? Hello? What do you think? Oh, I think we need a nose ring. Does that look fake? Does it look real? Do I look metal? Oh, that one done tickled my nostril. Okay, let's do it in the middle. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, it's tickling me in all the wrong ways. Y'all like this look? What do you rate this look out of 10? Now I look like the music I listen to. Who knew party streamers were such a good source of ink? Wow, what? And it dyed her hair pink? Okay, this ain't gonna work for us dark hair folks. I'm gonna tell you that now. If I can't use Kool-Aid, I can't, what? No way! You did that with streamer dye. Y'all light hair color folks. Have it easy. You can literally mix up Kool-Aid, put your hair in some Fanta, party streamer juice. Anything with a pigment flavored juice. And it'll turn that color. Can't relate. No way, because that actually looks good. That looks like some professional dye job right there. I'm not buying that the streamer juice did that. I love these shoes. Oh no, they're kind of messed up though. Looking like someone took a bite. Oh no, these are ruined. Bruh, just wear them. Nobody gonna come up to the points of your heels and be like,
oh, you stinky ratchet bitch.
oh yes, long socks, I know exactly what to do. This is the DIY queen right here. She gonna wear socks over them, poke out the heel. Yes ma'am, you got some brand new Balenciagas. Oh, they cute, yes. All right, I like this hack. It actually looks very good. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below, let me know which one of these was the worst, which one was the best. Would you actually try any? If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button, the best. And make sure you turn on notifications so you know when I upload. Click. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.